Today, we meet Seitan, the meat impostor made from the protein of wheat forged in gluten and sent to test your patience and your gut. Enter Juliet, a sharp, slim, autistic mom raising 3 autistic legends, Xander, William, and Aria, all with dark hair, sharp wit, and no tolerance for fake food. Welcome to the Vegan Repair Kit. And yes, it's pronounced Satan for a reason. Seitan is made by rinsing flour until it becomes a chewy, stretchy blob of gluten, then dressing it up and pretending it's meat. Juliet once called it bread with a god complex. Xander, ever the minimalist, said, "It looks like a meat balloon that gave up." William pushed up his sleek black glasses and declared, "That's not food, that's theater." Aria just fed it to the dog and said, "Fixed it." High in protein? Sure. Biologically useful? Not in this timeline. Gluten isn't just a coeliac problem. In its hyper-concentrated form, like Seitan, it can tear up even the toughest tummies. Juliet remembers the days of bloating, brain fog, and relentless inflammation. But once she ditched the wheat imposters and went carnivore, it was like lifting a curse. The kids' skin cleared, energy soared. And their guts? Quiet as a sleeping steak. Seitan talks a big game in protein circles, but lacks critical amino acids like leucine and lysine. William once calculated you'd need 2 plates and a maths degree to get enough from it. Xander stared at his plate and said, "Mom, why does this taste like a soggy yoga mat?" Juliet smiled and replied, "Because it basically is love." Real protein comes from real food. Beef, lamb, salmon, eggs, foods that nourish, rebuild, and respect your biology. Juliet rebuilt her family's health with meat, not mockery. And her dark-haired trio, thriving, stronger, sharper, and fed like kings and queens of the carnivore realm. If Seitan sent your health to hell, Juliet and her family are living proof that meat is the way out. Subscribe for more carnivore comedy and truth bombs here on the Vegan Repair Kit. Comment below if you've survived the gluten apocalypse, and head to compositionconsultant.com for coaching support and the ebook that's helping thousands thrive. Grab your copy of Beef Up the Carnivore Bible, Juliet's go-to resource for reclaiming her health, and now yours too. Next time, nutritional yeast, the cheese that isn't. Spoiler alert, it's not just flaky, it's fortified nonsense.
In a world where strength defines legends, unleash your inner legend. Join the carnivore muscle movement today.